The onboarding process, and I can't wait to do a deep dive on this, is such usually low hanging fruit. So creating Google Drive folders, creating client briefs, setting up projects, assigning tasks, setting up due dates. I've got a whole list in here, sending out welcome emails. All of those things can be automated. Creating time tracking client, new clients and new projects. There's so many things that feel like they should have to be done manually because that's how we've been working for so long. But now all the capabilities are there to say, hey, we just won this project or this brand new client. That is the trigger for the automation that then goes out and tackles all of these kind of busy work style things. Even if you're not bringing on projects or clients every day or every week, even by automating this once, you've now built a system. And by building a system, that means you can improve the system and you don't have to train people to do this. The other benefit of all of this is once it's built and once you have that automation, the error potential becomes super, super low. So I know when we were doing this manually, especially in my previous business, oh, I forgot to do this step. Oh, I forgot to create the folder. Oh, I forgot to send out the welcome email. Every new client had a different experience because there were so many steps, and getting a team to remember all of those steps, even with a checklist, was extremely hard. It still took hours, sometimes longer. And so when you automate it, you can turn those hours into seconds. I think right now we have about a 25-step client onboarding process that handles all the things behind the scenes internally at Workday Ninja. It takes about 20 seconds to run versus 60 minutes to execute manually if we remember to do all the steps.